Alright guys, welcome to the channel. Tonight we are changing the high quality Honda key to an $8 in some sense Chinese key. Well, I am a little late to the party because here's the old switch. I'll have some time-lapse footage to fill in the gaps. But I want to let you know that plug right there is just a bullet. But this little hook right here in the middle is what keeps this plug on. And the way to get that unclipped is to reach in here and pop the tab up and over this little clip. So if you're looking into the plug from back here, there's a little tab. It's the same width as these two little bumps. And then you just need to pull it up just a hair and then pull the connector out. That simple tip is important. That might save your key switch from getting damaged. And then I'm sure you'll know the key goes in here. And then on mine, the wires were routed. They were routed up and over, underneath the handlebar and over the steering column. And down in here, there's a little, there it is, a little clip connector here that holds all the stuff in. And then inside this boot, where there's no light, there's where your connections happen. So, stuff this back in, nice and secure. So, to take off the fenders, you have that bolt there, this bolt here, and the one on the side of the gas tank. 6 bolts. All these fingers plus one more finger gets you all the bolts. And then there's a bolt here and here. And that's your front rack. So 4 bolts on the front rack. 3 bolts on this side. 3 bolts on that side. Walla balla bing bang boom. There's your plastic sitting on the floor. Just like mine. Bam. So, that's it. Now I have a key switch that probably won't last a day. But if you follow this series, hey, it works right now. If you follow the series, you'll remember my son lost a key. And we made a key by filing a piece of tin to match a matching key. Where did the matching key go? Oh, here it is. Here's a key from a Polaris that sometimes works. So to copy the key, we cut a piece of galvanized sheet metal, some sort of a bracket used to fasten 2x4s floor joists to studs or something. Anyway, just the right thickness. We went and cut out the rough shape, clamped it together, filed it down, filed out all the indents, and then drilled a hole for the key ring, and then ground down these little edges here and over here. And wouldn't you know what? It worked. You had to flip it over. If you put it in and it didn't turn, you could flip it over and then it would work. And this key actually kind of does that too. But then he lost it again. I ended up getting a new remote controller for the winch. This guy right here off of eBay. It's got the in and the out. Works beautiful. It had a little clip on it that broke. So we're going to key ring onto one of these keys. And that'll be Daddy's key, and the other key will be Sonny's key. And when Sonny loses his key again in the snow, or otherwise, I don't know. I guess, maybe, I'm not sure. Probably loses riding privileges. I don't know. The only catch to that idea is maybe if we buy the same Chinese key switch again, the keys will fit this. Probably. I wouldn't be shocked. So, unless all Hondas are keyed differently, most heavy machinery and agricultural stuff from where my background is in farming, you can get a skid loader key and start all kinds of stuff. Probably every single skid loader from that brand will start using one key. Same with tractors. This one key I have will start. This one John Deere lawnmower key will start all the stuff that this farm tractor key starts. It'll start Polaris snowmobiles, John Deere lawnmowers, lots of farm tractors from the 70s. And I don't know what all, really. Might start a lot more stuff that I don't know about. So anyway, the point is, I might be able to just buy another key switch like this for $8 off of eBay and give my son the key from that. That way he'll get his privileges back at some point. Anyway, so here's all the hardware. A bunch of random nuts and bolts. I'm going to stick this girl together. She's on the charger, and we're about ready to ride. All right, guys. If you're interested in repair videos or lifestyle vlogs, I love talking and filming. Come join the channel. We need your subscription. And we appreciate it a ton. Thank you. See you in the next one.